Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to find maximum and minimum value in a set. So given a set as input to the Python program that contains integers or floating point values, so your task is to find the maximum and minimum value present in the set. So that is a problem statement. So we should know the definition of set. So set is a collection of unordered items, that is unique items. So that is a definition of set, and set doesn't allow to index. For example, if you want to get the first element, that is index of 0, or get the second element, that is index of 1, so it doesn't support the indexing. So with that knowledge, so let's try to solve this. So first I'll ask a user to enter all the items present in the set, and then we'll try to find the maximum and minimum value present in the set. So let's try to accept the items. So first let me take a length variable in order to store the length of a set. So let's use the input function call, and here let's say enter set length. Yeah, so once the user enters a set length, so that will be of string type, so let's convert it into an integer type. So now let's take another variable in order to store the set. So let's take my underscore set. So this is my set variable, so let's initialize an empty set to it. So now we have to iterate from 0 to the set length and accept the items that is present in the set. So let's try to add it to the set. So let me take a for loop for underscore because I don't need the index. So let's use in the range of length, that is I am trying to iterate from 0 to the set length and trying to accept the set item. So let's take temporary variable item and again use the input function call, and here let's say enter. So let's say enter set item. Yeah, again let's convert this to an integer type from string type to an integer using the type conversion, and store it into this variable, that is item. So once we get the set item, so let's try to add it to the set. So in case of list we'll be using append. So here in case of set, so we'll use the add function. So let's take my set dot add and try to pass the item to it. So this is a method how do you input the set into your programming. So this completes the input part. So now in order to solve the, that is find the maximum and minimum value, so we have to get the first element of the set and initialize it to a min and max. So for that let's use two variables, that is min and that is sorry, this is max and min, and let's initialize the first element of set to these two variables. So as we all know, so set doesn't support indexing, so let's convert it into an list and get the first item. So let's take list function and convert the set to a list and index the first item. Again the same, that is taking the list function and converting the set and getting the first item and storing it to these two variables, that is max and min. So once we get the first item as min and max, so we'll be iterating all the items present in the set. So let's use a for loop to iterate, that is for item, that is a temporary variable in my underscore set. So we'll be iterating all the items present in the set and checking if item is greater than the max. So then what we do is, so we are finding the item that is more than the first item, that is max. So what you do is initialize the max to an item. So now let's take another if statement for the comparison of min. So let's say item is less than the min, so min becomes the item. So let's say item. Yeah, so these are the two comparisons for min and max, that is finding min and max. So once we are done comparing the min and max, so we'll be having the min and max values stored in these two variables. So let's try to use a print function and print the min and max values. So let's use print function max, that is max value in set is, so let's give colon and let's try to print the max, and let's use again print function, and here let's say min value in set is, so let's give colon and let's try to print the min. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to accept the set and try to find the max and min value. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter a, that is enter set length. So let's give 5. So let's say 1 2 3 4 5. So you can see max is 5 and the min value in a set is 1. So there is a mistake over here. So let me correct this. Yeah, so let me re-execute it. So let's say 5. So let's say 3 2 1 4 and 5. So you can see max is 5 and min value is 1. Closing it. So let me re-execute it. Let's say 5. Let's say 4 3 2 1 and 0. So you can see max is 4 and min is 0. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to find max and the min value in a set using the iteration. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.